Okay, you can see me behind the screen on the actual game, and I have a backdrop of space, and the name of my Scratch game is Space Dinos. Space Dinos. And this is how it works. I'm going to attack a bunch of dinosaurs that are going to try to eat me. By using my hands, I will make them disappear. Okay, so I'm going to start the game. They start to appear, and I put my hand there, and they disappear. You have about 30 seconds to get rid of them, and I collect a point for each dinosaur that I am attacking. And as you can see, I'm using my hands. I can use my whole body to attack. I can use my whole face. So just let them grow, let them multiply, and then watch this. And the webcam is sensing this. Okay, so that's the game. Originally, the game was called Splats. It was a bunch of paint splats that were on the screen, and you had to pretend you were wiping the mouth. Instead, I decided to use a backdrop of space and dinosaurs. And I named it, I was thinking of calling it Dinosaurs from Space, but it's just Space Dinos. That's it. Thank you.